dead cat for your GoPro. I bought the camera dead cat, but it looks terrible. Literally looks shit. That's like, no. Then I found on the AliExpress, link in the description, check it out. GoPro version. Dedicated to... Needs to go. Alright, I've installed it, looks much better than the previous one. A bit smaller. I don't know. Let's test it out. Wind! That get on! Let's go outside. There is an update available for GoPro Mini. Well, and GoPro 11. Regular version 2. Alright, let's update. Alright, we're going to test the new firmware. That cat. And all in all quality. Just start. There you go. There you go. I think it's a bit too low. Maybe like this. I don't have the overview, but with the new firmware, you're getting all kinds of different options. Well, in the menu, in the camera itself, and in the app. How's the wind guys? Do you hear any? You know what? I think with the old Deadcat, the professional one, we have very little wind noise. With this one, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this one. Maybe the density of the Deadcat is lower. That is a possibility. Of course, there will be a lot of city noise. That's fine. I also turn on the wind cancellation in the camera.
Ja tam przychodzę, nie, a tam...
Alright, let's continue. Whew. Beautiful day with a GoPro 11 Mini. Okay, this is it's bouncing from my stomach, so it could be a bit shaky. Let me just correct that. Let me correct that strap. But the video quality is 5.3K, so it should be insanely good. Okay, now it's strapped. I think this is the best sports camera sensor ever in any sports camera. I had most of them. Okay, I didn't have the 1-inch DJI. Beautiful sunny day, a lot of car noise. Alright, let me switch to the let me switch the mic to the regular mic, like a stereo mic without the wind cancellation. Alright, no wind cancellation, and I think I have like 1% of the battery, which is bummer. So yeah, there you go. 1% of something. a battery or the SD card. Is this still recording? It is. Okay, if it stops, that's what it is. So how's it sound? Great? I think it's great. That's the best sports camera ever. Alright. Buy yourself a decent dead cat, like Royal Cat. This is much better. Well, it's performing much better than this one. At least for me. It is what it is. Definitely recommend Royal Cat. That cheap Chinese one is... I think the density is off. That's what it is. That's why this is better. And that's what I have. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye. It is